Want to turn one-time buyers into lifelong fans? A loyalty program rewards repeat purchases and builds a community. I'll show you how to create one in Shopify. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. A good loyalty program makes customers feel valued and gives them a reason to come back. You'll need an app from the Shopify App Store. Search for Loyalty, and you'll find great options like Loyalty Lions, Smile.io, or GrowWave. Install your chosen app and follow its setup wizard. You'll be able to choose a program type, like points or VIP tiers, set earning rules, e.g., 1 point per dollar spent, and create a rewards catalog, e.g., 100 points equals $10 off. A crucial pro tip: make it easy to join and understand. A confusing program is a dead program. Promote it at checkout and on your homepage. The goal is to make customers feel like they're part of an exclusive club, not just doing math. And just like that, you're building a tribe of loyal customers. A well-run loyalty program increases customer lifetime value and turns buyers into brand advocates. What kind of reward do you think your customers would love most? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to speed up your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.